Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix unable to load photo or video error on iPhone. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone denies access to your photos or gallery, the first thing you must check is if you have used up your iPhone storage. If you have been syncing your pictures to iCloud, you might have exhausted the 5 GB of free storage already. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general. Next, tap on iPhone storage. At the top, you will see the storage you have left. If you don't have enough storage left, delete big files or remove unnecessary apps to free up storage, to eliminating the photo error, and you are done. And the next step is force quiet and open photos. The Photos app sometimes crashes on the iPhone due to software glitches. Simply tap and hold your home screen to open the app switcher. Drag up the photos windows to close it, and you are done. And the next step is turn off data saver. To deactivate the Wi-Fi saver on your iPhone, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected network. Scroll down and then tap on the low data mode toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is turn off power saver. To deactivate low power mode, open the settings app, scroll down and go to battery and then tap on low power mode toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And also you should delete and recover the photo. And the next step is log out and back into Apple ID. For this, open settings app and then tap on the Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on sign out and sign into Apple ID again. Follow the prompts to log in and then try to load the set pictures again to see if the error message persists, and you are done. And the next step is update your iOS version. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. From here, tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of unable to load photo or video error on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.